Hey everybody, so we have a Misfit and Sam's haul today. So let me grab a couple of things I got at Sam's. So I'll do these first. Got some heavy whipping cream so I can use those peaches I got and make some homemade peach ice cream. I think that'll be yummy. And then we got these two chuck roasts. So I'm going to cook one in the sun oven and the other one I'm going to can, and they were $4.98 a pound, so we got both for $23. So if you are interested in the sun oven videos, stay tuned. We're going to do a pot roast. And then my husband grabbed this for me. It's a tiger roll, so I will be enjoying that. I haven't had one in a while and I was kind of craving one, so that was cool. So I got the 6-pack of the colored bell peppers, and they look and feel good, no mushy. We got some grapes, so those will be for eating, and I want to make some chicken salad. And then we got some Chiquita bananas. I haven't had a banana in a long time, so I was craving bananas. And then we got this 2-pack of Bounce dryer sheets. Some McCafe coffee pods. How much were those? 32? The coffee pods?
33.
Those were $33. I have some coming from Prime next month, 100 for $21. And then this is going to be from Misfit Market. And then we got a thing of paper towels. They're out in the garage. So we got Dave's Killer Bread English muffins, and I have to say, Misfit made me really mad. I got a box that was just a complete disaster the last time, so they pretty much refunded all of that. I got some apricot fruit spread, intense apricot it says. Can't find apricots around here. I got these were on top. So the box is kind of smashed. Never had them, but I do love Cap'n Crunch. So hopefully these don't make your mouth feel like you chewed on a saw blade. Because Cap'n Crunch is good, but your mouth is sore after you eat them. And then I got, whoa, 2 bell peppers. Are not nearly as pretty as my Sam's ones. I got 3 Japanese sweet potatoes, and if you have not tried the Japanese sweet potatoes, try these. They're the white meat, and they're so creamy and nice. I would even try using these if you like sweet potato pie on the holidays. If you can find these, try a pie with these. I'm thinking it has to be delicious. They're not as stringy as the yellow ones. I got a 3-pack of the Romaine lettuce. We're going to have tacos tonight because I have some avocados I want to use up. We got some broccoli. We got a head of cabbage. I'll just peel off those outer leaves, and this will go in the dehydrator. Oh, they didn't have mushrooms? And we got these that look totally smashed. So. And then these are this morning's cucumbers. So I'll make a couple of jars of bread and butter pickles tonight. My peach ice cream, and I think I'll make 2 batches of that and give some to my next door neighbor. And then my neighbor behind me is going out of town for about a week. So she set up chairs by the fence, and I'll be going over the fence to water her stuff because her cantaloupes are about ready. And I had some ginormous cucumbers this morning. She was out there, so I gave her those. And I have 3 baby watermelons out there now. So I pulled the fencing from around the walking onions and put it around where the vines are between 2 of the raised beds so the dogs don't stomp my watermelons. And we've got some okra, so I'm going to cut it up, batter it, and put it in the freezer. And the bell peppers are saying okay, to heck with the heat, we're going to make bell peppers, so it looks like those will be doing good. And I gave them some eggshells, so they look like they needed some calcium. And the collards are coming back, so we'll probably get some of those. You can grow those up until I think winter gets too terribly ugly. My blueberry plant is struggling, so I gave it some food. Watered the green beans. They're blooming again, but I think the blooms fall off in this heat, so hopefully they'll do something. I've got a cantaloupe plant that's doing well. I've got some squash plants that have sprouted, so hopefully by fall we have some acorn, spaghetti squash, and maybe butternut. I think I planted some butternut, so hopefully we'll get some stuff. It's been a struggle with the heat, and the tomatoes are starting to make more tomatoes, so I'm hoping to get my salsa this year. And I have 1 jalapeno plant left because the dog wiped out the other one. So, okay, I think those are my updates for the day. Rocky's not been feeling well, so I'm going to put all this away. And you all stay safe, you stay healthy, and you stay cool. And I will see you in the next video.